when people watch your SNS contents, then they don't spend money, but they spend time, yes, for you. So it's really important to make great content too. The reason why they need to spend time for you. Yes, that's very important. And if you want to make premium contents which it can sell, then you just consider not only time, you need money, why they spend money to you, and why they spend time to you, and do you have trust for them, and do you have benefit for them? Yes, just various things. So that's why business is very difficult, but business is very difficult at the same time. Business is very principle. So yes, let's find out the principle first.